Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the sidebar icon size on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. Then choose System Settings from the menu that appears. Choose Appearance from the left sidebar. Then to the right of sidebar icon size, you can change between small, medium and large. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.